This video will show you how to use Cengage's product ExamView to create exams for your course. The first thing that you have to do is email the book representative to get a copy of ExamView on your computer. Next, you'll go to the cengagebrain.com website to download the test bank associated with your course. Click on the instructor login and it'll take you to this screen so you can log into your account. Once you've gotten into the main screen, you're going to select the text that you're interested in getting a test bank for. The text for Math 92 is the Clark-Anfinson textbook, Beginning and Intermediate Algebra. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see that there is a link to the instructor companion site. And here you'll see a number of resources that you can download to use, including the ExamView test banks. You have to agree to the licensing terms, and then you'll be given the option to download the test banks. Once you have the products downloaded, you will have a form here to open up your ExamView test generator. And if you have multiple test banks, you'll need to decide which one it is you're going to utilize. I'm going to start by just using the test wizard to create a simple exam. I'll call it sample. And I've got two test banks sitting here. I'm going to open up the Clark one. And then I'll open up a couple different chapters and sections. Grab a couple sections that I want to grab problems from. When you hit next, it gives you option to select the different types of problems that you want. Maybe I want 5 true-false questions, 5 multiple choice, a couple bimodal questions. And then when I finish, it'll create a test for me. This is a really nice format because it allows me to double-click on any question and I can change the question if I want, or I can change the answer key. The other thing that's really nice is that if I want to select from a particular list, I can click up here and I can select by a particular standard and add into my test, or I can select while viewing. This allows me to look at a particular section and see what the problems are before I determine which ones I want to add into the test. I can easily highlight a particular problem if I'd like to delete it. And when you've got this in the format that you want, if you go to export, this will allow you to send this out to a rich text format, which will be something that you can open up in Microsoft Word. And then you can change the formatting, add more spacing in if you choose, change the font, change the size, change a lot of different options. If you have questions about anything related to ExamView, you can email me at your convenience. Thanks for watching.